How to be the best. Tips to become a better office manager. Hello everyone. Working in an office can often be a high-stress environment, particularly if you're in a management position. Given the myriad of tasks, it's no wonder that most people are overwhelmed. In today's video, we will be exploring some useful tips which you can adopt to become a phenomenal office manager. Let's dive in, but before we get started, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Tip number 1. Enhance your communication skills. Communication is essential for effective management. Clearly communicating your expectations, feedback, and any updates will help your team stay focused and prevent misunderstandings. Remember, effective communication isn't just about talking, but also about listening. Take the time to understand the needs and opinions of those under your management. Tip number 2. Set realistic goals. Clearly define responsibilities, objectives, and timelines. This helps in making sure everyone knows their role and what is expected of them. When people know their targets, they become more productive and efficient. But remember, the key is to set realistic, attainable goals. Unrealistic goals will only lead to stress, burnout, and ultimately, poor performance. Tip number 3. Encourage team engagement. A well-engaged team is a motivated team. Encouraging collaboration and inclusion can significantly boost the productivity of your office. Team-building activities or simple water cooler chats can foster camaraderie and a positive work environment. Tip number 4. Provide regular feedback. Regular constructive feedback is crucial for continuous improvement and growth. It allows your team members to understand where they stand and how they can improve. But remember to balance criticism with appreciation. This helps in maintaining a positive atmosphere and keeps morale high. Last but not least, tip number 5. Embrace continuous learning. The world is constantly changing, and so is the field of management. Continue to develop your skills and expand your knowledge. This will help you stay ahead of the curve and be a better mentor for your team. There you have it, 5 tips that can help you become a more effective and successful office manager. Remember, being a good manager is about guiding your team to achieve the best results while fostering a positive and productive work environment. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and share it with your colleagues. Don't forget to comment any additional tips you have found to be helpful in your journey. Thanks for watching.